So, before we talk about how we use AI responsibly or what risks it may introduce, we need to start with a very simple but important question. Why does AI matter at work in the first place? For many people, AI still sounds abstract or futuristic, something associated with research labs, big technology companies, or science fiction. But in reality, AI has already become part of everyday work, often without being labeled as AI. You may already be using AI when your email system filters spam, when a document tool suggests text or summarizes something, or when a dashboard highlights unusual trends, or even when a customer support system routes requests automatically. These are not experimental technologies. They are embedded into the tools we rely on daily. Now, that is why organizations are now paying close attention to AI, not because it is new, but because it is becoming more influential in how information is created, processed, and acted upon. This course is not about turning you into a technical expert. You don't need to understand algorithms or code. Instead, the goal is awareness, understanding what AI does well, where its limits are, and why judgment continues to matter. When employees understand AI at a practical level, they are more confident using it, less likely to misuse it, and better equipped to ask the right questions. That is the foundation for responsible AI adoption in any organization. So let's clarify what we actually mean when we say artificial intelligence. In simple terms, AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. These include things like understanding language, recognizing patterns, summarizing information, and answering questions or making predictions based on data. What is important to understand is how AI does these things. AI does not think, reason, or understand in the human sense. It works by analyzing large amounts of data and identifying patterns that allow it to generate outputs that appear intelligent. This distinction is crucial in the workplace because AI outputs can sound very confident even when they are incomplete, outdated, or simply wrong. Unlike humans, AI doesn't know when it is uncertain. It produces an answer regardless. This is why we consistently describe AI as a decision support, not decision making. AI can assist you by summarizing information, suggesting options, or highlighting patterns, but it doesn't take responsibility for outcomes. Now, responsibility always stays with people, with employees, managers, and organizations. Whether it's approving a decision, sharing information, or acting on an AI generated recommendation, the accountability remains human. This principle that AI supports work but doesn't replace responsibility will appear again and again throughout this course. If you understand this from the beginning, you already have the right mindset for using AI safely and ethically at work. So, as we move through the rest of this course, keep this distinction in mind. AI can assist, but responsibility always stays with people.